Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Birdman2. As I'm going to show you my unexpected breeding results of my Budgies guys. Albino ma bachcha nikaleko cha. First time. As you can see, yo box ma the blue pair aita. This is the female, blue female, and this is the blue male. I'm going to show you the results in this box. So guys, this is the box. Let's see inside the breeding results. Woo! Look at these guys. Yota normal blue ma cha, grayish blue ma. Arko duita dekhna sakनुहुन्छ हजुरहरुले albino ma. Pure white eyes albino. As you can see guys, albino, duita albino ma and एउटा normal blue ma. Thank you guys for watching and do subscribe to my channel.